Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Einstein. Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes when he published his theory of general relativity in 1916, describing how gravity shapes the fabric of spacetime. But astronomers didn't spot one until 1964, some 6,070 light-years away in the Cygnus constellation.
Let's help you make your mark.
Near a black hole, the slowing of time is extreme. From the viewpoint of an observer outside the black hole, time stops. For example, an object falling into the hole would appear frozen in time at the edge of the hole.
Take our lead.
Host Patty Boyd. While they may seem like a hole in the sky because they don't produce light, a black hole is not empty. It's actually a lot of matter condensed into a single point. This point is known as a singularity.
Take our lead.
The good news about massive black holes is that you could survive falling into one. Although their gravity is stronger, the stretching force is weaker than it would be with a small black hole, and it would not kill you.
Take our lead.
Einstein denied several times that black holes could form. In 1939, he published a paper that argues that a star collapsing would spin faster and faster, spinning at the speed of light with infinite energy well before the point where it is about to collapse into a Schwarzschild singularity, or black hole.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.